Do you find yourself struggling to type quickly and accurately? Omaha Computing Solutions has some great tips to help you improve. Typing is a vital skill in today's tech-driven world, whether you're writing emails, working on documents, or chatting with friends. Firstly, make sure you are using the correct finger positioning on the keyboard. This means your left hand should rest on the A, S, D, and F keys, while your right hand should be on the J, K, L, and semicolon keys. This positioning allows you to reach all the keys easily without looking down. Practice is key when it comes to improving your typing speed and accuracy. Take advantage of online typing tutorials and games that can help you get faster and more precise. Additionally, try to type without looking at the keyboard. This may be tough at first, but it will significantly boost your typing skills in the long run. Another useful tip is to focus on each word as a whole rather than individual letters. This can help you type more fluidly and with fewer mistakes. Additionally, try to keep a consistent pace while typing. Rushing can lead to errors, while typing too slowly can hinder your speed. It's also essential to take breaks and stretch your fingers and wrists regularly to prevent fatigue and repetitive strain injuries. Simple exercises like hand flexes and wrist rotations can help keep your hands nimble and pain-free. Moreover, consider investing in an ergonomic keyboard and mouse. These tools are designed to support your hands and wrists, reducing strain and discomfort during long typing sessions. Finally, practice, practice, practice. The more you type, the better you will become. Set aside some time each day to work on your typing skills, and you'll notice improvements in no time. In conclusion, improving your typing speed and accuracy is achievable with the right techniques and consistent practice. By focusing on proper finger positioning, practicing regularly, and taking care of your hands, you can enhance your typing skills and become a more efficient typist. So don't be afraid to put in the effort. Your future self will thank you for it.